Aluminium is soft, making it easy to scratch. Therefore, you must take care when preparing the surface. Do not use steel wool when cleaning, as the metallic thread can contaminate the surface. Machine sand with 240 to 320 grit dry sandpaper. Clean the surface with wax and grease remover. Treat the substrate using a mixture of 1 part methylated spirits to 1 part water. Apply the mixture to the surface, then scour with a non-metallic Scotch-Brite pad. Do this in small sections at a time. The substrate should be treated twice. Dry the surface with a fresh cloth. Apply appropriate etch primer as soon as possible to prevent oxidisation. If the aluminium is intended for marine use, use 2-pack etch primer. Aluminium does not rust, it oxidises. The two are quite similar but still different. Rust is continuous. Once the top of the surface is rusted, it will break away. Then the top will rust again, eating through the panel. Oxidisation is when the surface corrodes, but unlike rust, it stops once a hard layer is formed on the surface.